Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: battery charge, power adapter, and a stable internet connection. Press the power button and watch the LED and BIOS screen. These confirm hardware health. Once the Windows 10 logo appears, follow the on-screen region and language prompts so system services configure correctly. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi or plug an Ethernet cable when asked. This lets Windows download updates and drivers during setup, which prevents later interruptions and speeds first use. After initial setup, sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings and OneDrive, or create a local account if you prefer. Once signed in, set a PIN for quick secure access and review privacy options. Adjust location, diagnostics, and ad settings to match your comfort level. Make sure Windows Update runs immediately to fetch critical drivers and security patches. If a device shows a warning, open Device Manager and update that driver manually. This resolves most peripheral problems. Now personalize your desktop. Pin apps to Start and Taskbar, set display scaling and power plans, and organize File Explorer quick access. Install essential apps from the Microsoft Store or trusted vendor sites. Keep installers in a dedicated folder so you can reinstall later. Finally, enable file history or create a system image and a USB recovery drive so you can restore quickly if something breaks. If updates or drivers cause instability, boot into safe mode and roll back the offending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.